Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer you a 1988 Jaguar XJS Convertible fitted with a 5.3 V12 engine and automatic transmission. The car is covered below 57,000 miles from new. It's finished in a dark bronze metallic with dark tan matching trim and carpets and a brown soft top which is stowed under the matching tonneau cover. The condition of the car is fabulous. It has had an awful lot of money spent, which I have got all the receipts over the last 5 years to make it the example it is today. It sits on the lattice alloy wheels with recent Pirelli P600 tyres, which are all in perfect condition. Looking down the car, the paintwork gleams. This car is just ready to be used for this summer. The car's got a full service history with MOTs, and it really is an eyeful inside and out. Just show you some of the details of the paintwork, and the chrome work is all in good order. Inside the car is as good as the outside. The tan seats complementing the colour beautifully, with the driver's seat just showing the right amount of wear for the 57,000 miles it's covered. The footwells are in good order, with the carpeting nice. The chrome door trim's all nice and everything. The door panels and wood is all in good order. Inside the back, these cars have got 4 seats, manufactured from 1988 to 91 when the facelift came along. Quite a rare car in its own, but one as nice as this is unusual. There's the speedo showing the miles of 57,380. All the wood is in good order, except for there is a smallest airline crack just behind the gear lever there. You may not see it, it's that small. The car is fitted with a satellite navigation system, which is a Porsche unit, which is quite nice, looks period for the car. So everything nice. I'll just take you around the other side. Again, we're now in the passenger side. The passenger seat is slightly less wear, which you'd expect to the driver's seat, which is in good condition anyway. And the carpets on the dashboard and everything, the leather on the top of the dash all looks very, very nice. Again, that's a lovely car. The car is ready to be used straight away. Inside the boot, spare wheel is there, toolkit, the battery's behind that cover. There is an isolator switch there, which is great if you're going to leave the car for periods of unuse. And the carpeting and everything is all in lovely condition. Under the bonnet, big V12 unit sits there quite nicely. Condition under the bonnet's very good, showing no corrosion or anything. On this side also it's all nicely presented. Car starts on the key. It's ready to use. So thanks for looking. looking. And if you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit our website woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Okay, the history file on this Jaguar is quite comprehensive and guarantees the mileage. With the car we've got the V5 and some old V5s from previous keepers and some Jaguar evaluations. We've got a full handbook pack with the service book and also the classic Porsche radio navigation systems there as well. Loads of old MOTs and old sales invoices, again just verifying the mileage. But best of all, the car was restored in 2012 and we've got a full disc of the photos and the invoices of the vehicle. The car was restored in France and the total cost of the invoice added up to an unbelievable €46,493, which in today's money is over £40,000. So all in all, there's not much I can tell you that doesn't sit on this table. If you are interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit our website for videos and photos of the car, woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you. Just like to take you down the road in this 12-cylinder Jaguar. Perfect day for a ride out in the lovely Lincolnshire Wolds area of outstanding natural beauty. As this car fits in well. These V12 cats are effortless performance. They are a bit first if you don't use them all the time. All the gauges are all working. We're doing 40 mile an hour now. Good oil pressure. Everything's working on the car. The car has got an inbuilt sat-nav system, which is a Porsche Classic unit, just for your touring and everything. So it's just effortless cruising. There's no bangs and rattles. This car has had an heavy restoration with all the invoices to the amount you would not believe, but the car feels like it's been put together very, very well. Just come up a little bit of traffic now, so we'll not go so fast, but we're sort of 30 mile an hour, 1,000 watts per minute. Steering's all straight, it's smooth. Just accelerate a bit. Feel like you're in a nice place in these cars. The seats are comfortable, there's plenty of legroom, not like in an E-Type. Dashboard's all great, just a great car. Steering straight ahead, coming down to junction now, brakes, pulls up ever so well, accelerates well. Everything works on the car, the cruise control all works and everything. These cars, they're expensive in the day, they've got some room to go upwards yet, in my opinion, especially nice low mileage ones like this. So thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did taking it. If you would like to get more information on the car, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit our website woldsideclassics.co.uk.